Hello everyone, I'm here at my studio offering a tour to you of the things I do here. This is just a whole bunch of sculpture. These are mushroom gnomes. They're like my favorite to do. I also make music, play multiple instruments, flutes, here's some more sculpture, and more. I do art photography as well, and there's a number of pictures there in the box. More sculptures here. This is my work desk, computer area. More sculptures over there and some of my tools. Here's my tool cup. More sculpture here. This is my casting and finishing room. These are the different types of clay I use. This is Marblex self-hardening clay. This is Mexican clay in red. And of course Sculpey 3 in black. I also like to sculpt with wire. That's all I've got. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day.